the shut-ins and the inferred. What are you doing?
Excuse me, sister, but I don't mean to be rude. But can you take that fruit basket off your head so I can see what's going on?
If I have to turn around one more time, it's going to be me and you.
Well, then make your move. Now, first I'd like to start this morning with a few announcements. There will be a singles-only retreat this weekend. But due to that 60 Minutes piece, there ain't going to be no laying on their hands this year. And whoever parked the lowered blue Pacer in my parking space, I regret to inform you, but the Lord hath told you.
That's Mother Morier right there.